If you want to learn how to implement your own unique fonts into Canva to create better designs, then this video is going to be perfect for you. I'm going to show you where you can get your fonts from, how to upload those fonts onto Canva, and how to style them to suit whatever creative design that you intend on putting together. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Now, let's start with actually getting your fonts. Now, there are a ton of different platforms and websites that you can go and get different types of fonts, but one of the ones that Daniel and I have actually come across and to work really well is Creative Fabrica. They've got literally hundreds of thousands of fonts. They've got something for every style. Whether you're after clean and modern, handwritten, bold and edgy, vintage vibes, or something just totally unique, they've got it all. Compared to sites like Fonts or Google Fonts, this just feels way more premium. And it's actually easier to find what fonts actually suit your project without having to scroll for hours. So if you are doing a lot of work on Canva, then make sure to go check out Creative Fabrica. We'll leave a link in the description so you can access it. Otherwise, you can just head to Font or Google Fonts. But for this example, we're gonna show you exactly how to use Creative Fabrica. And if you haven't made your mind up yet, hopefully we can change your mind by the end of the video. So I'm just gonna go for a quick browse and choose a font so that I can show you how to download it and upload it to Canva. So I've gone and chosen this one for a good example. Now what we wanna do is we wanna go and download this font to our computer. To do that, you wanna go and click on the green download button up here. So once you've clicked on download, some of the fonts are actually gonna give it to you in a zip folder. If not, you can just get something like this. We're gonna have two different types of files. For this case, you wanna stick with the OTF file. So next we wanna upload our font to Canva. To do this, you wanna use the brand toolkit. So you'll find the brand toolkit on the left-hand side here where it says brand. Now this is only for Canva Pro subscribers. So if you do wanna upload fonts, then you're gonna have to make sure that you're subscribed. So to upload our font, we wanna go and actually create a brand kit. So if you don't already have one, I can show you what to do. So you wanna go and click on add new here, and then you wanna name your brand kit and click on create. A brand kit is pretty much just a way to associate any images or colors or fonts pretty much with your personal brand. So what you wanna do is scroll down here where it says fonts and you wanna click on add new. And then you wanna click on upload a font. From here, you're gonna wanna go and choose a file, and then that file that you got when we initially downloaded the font from Creative Fabrica, we're gonna go and upload that file onto Canva. So it also just gives you a little idea of what it's actually gonna look like. So now we wanna create a design. It doesn't really matter what size design you go with. So for example, for this one, we're just gonna go with a YouTube thumbnail. So first you wanna go and add some text. So we can just go and click on add a heading, for example, and then we can just say Nathan's font designs. So you wanna make sure that you've clicked on your text, and then you wanna go where you usually change the font, and you're gonna come down here where it says brand kit. Now what you wanna do is click on that, and essentially it's gonna come up with something like this. Now, Nathan's fonts is what we named our brand kit before. So this is what we're gonna click so that we can upload our new font. So once you've clicked that, you just wanna click on select brand kit. So once you've selected your brand kit, you're gonna see an uploaded font down here. So our one, Cowboy Howdy Regular, and you wanna click on that. Now, as you can see, that's changed the font of the text that we've already got in our design. Now, for example, if you wanted to go and make your font look cool like it did on the Creative Fabrica page, you could always go and copy and paste this image back into your Canva design. You wanna go back and click on your text again, and then if you click on the color button up here, it's actually gonna automatically load the colors from that specific photo. So for this case, we wanna go with this red color. And the great thing about Canva is that it literally just has it already there for you, ready to go. And there it is, guys. Remember, as long as you download your fonts into your files, then it doesn't really matter what platform you choose. You can upload any type of font that you'd like to Canva, but you have to make sure that you've got the pro version. That way you can access creating brand kits. Now that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you loved the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave a comment down below on what tutorial you want to see next. See you in the next one.